Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by grounding your plan in legality and intent. Do not bypass that. First, confirm what your jurisdiction permits and why you need privacy, safety, research, or advocacy. Once done, map the cameras, apps, and services that matter, and note which ones store images versus process only on device. Make sure to record the technical limits you find. That context guides any next steps and prevents accidental illegal behavior, so keep it documented and transparent. Now focus on safe, non-harmful measures that respect others and the law. You can choose services that emphasize privacy, enable device settings that minimize facial data collection, and stop unnecessary uploads to cloud systems. This reduces exposure without subverting systems. Once configured, regularly review permissions and updates, because platforms change. Make sure to use transparent tools intended for privacy protection rather than tricks to defeat security. That keeps you compliant and ethically sound. Finish by pursuing formal, lawful channels if you have concerns about facial recognition. You should consult legal counsel to explore remedies, such as opt-out rights or data deletion requests, and file complaints with platforms or regulators when misuse occurs. Once you engage advocacy groups, you gain collective leverage to influence policy and safer tech design. If something goes wrong, the troubleshooting tip is: stop, document what happened, preserve evidence, and seek legal advice before taking further action.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.